Today we'll be making two super easy, healthy, delicious and just mind-blowing ice creams. Actually, one is an ice cream and another is a sorbet. So I hope you enjoy these recipes. Let's get started. So for the ice cream you need 2 frozen bananas, preferably ripe. You need to freeze them overnight ideally or for 4-5 hours. You just need to cut 2 bananas and keep them in a glass bowl, keep them in the freezer. Now as sweeteners, either you can use honey or you can use dates or you can use jaggery. I'm giving you all 3 options. Don't add all. You need to use just one sweetener, whatever is your preference, whatever you have in your hand actually. So I'm putting the frozen bananas in a mixer jar and I'll be using dates as my sweetener. So the reason that I chose dates was because just like bananas, dates are rich in vitamin B6, iron, fiber, and they're high in potassium. So not just the taste, they also enhance the nutrition value of this ice cream. Now you need to keep pulsing multiple times and you need to keep scraping down your mixer jar. Now keep blending until you get this smooth, creamy, rich texture, and once you get it, you can serve it as a soft serve, or what you can do is you can transfer it to an airtight container and freeze it until it gets solid, just like your traditional ice cream. So one quick tip that I would like to give you all during this lockdown is to keep frozen bananas in your refrigerator. Please don't throw those ripe bananas. If you keep frozen bananas in your refrigerator, it actually increases their shelf life and you can use them in your smoothies, shakes and your post-workout drinks to make this ice cream. They make everything creamier, tastier, and they are just very sweet. So you don't need any sweetener with them. My favorite post-workout drink is a banana and I add peanut butter to it and it tastes like ice cream. So ripe bananas look like this. They have black spots on their skin. So our next recipe is a watermelon sorbet, and I'm taking these frozen watermelon cubes and I'm putting them in a mixer jar. So before freezing them, I had taken out all the seeds and I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to it. And as a sweetener, I'm adding honey, so you can add as much as you like. I added only 1 teaspoon, but it's your wish. So after pulsing it multiple times, we get this consistency and a refreshing low calorie sorbet is done. So it was that easy. I hope you enjoyed both the recipes. I made them keeping in mind people who don't like to spend too much time in the kitchen. These can be made by anybody and they taste amazing. These can be made instantly if you have frozen fruits in your refrigerator and you need no cream, no machine, nothing, none of that headache, and you still get something like really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed both the recipes. I hope you try them and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.